Welcome to the realm of superfoods abundant in fiber, a gateway to optimal health and wellness. In the quest for a balanced diet, fiber stands as a cornerstone, promoting digestive health, satiety, and overall well-being. This article unveils a selection of powerhouse superfoods, revered not just for their nutritional density but also for their rich fiber content. Delve into the world of these nutrient-packed marvels, each offering a robust dose of fiber, essential for a thriving body and a nourished mind. Explore the transformative potential of these high-fiber superfoods by making sure to watch until the end of video, which will ignite a journey towards a more vibrant and healthful lifestyle. Understanding the pivotal role of fiber unveils its multifaceted benefits. Fiber, the indigestible part of plant-based foods, aids in digestion, regulates bowel movements, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. With soluble and insoluble types, it fosters a feeling of fullness, aiding weight management, and contributes to stable blood sugar levels. Its ability to reduce cholesterol levels and support heart health further highlights its significance. Embracing a high-fiber diet promotes overall wellness, making fiber a fundamental component in maintaining a robust and thriving body. Superfoods, renowned for their concentrated nutritional profiles, serve as potent sources of dietary fiber. These nutritional powerhouses not only provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants but also boast remarkable fiber content. Incorporating superfoods into daily consumption significantly contributes to meeting recommended fiber intake. Their unique compositions, often high in fiber and low in calories, offer a substantial boost to digestive health, aiding in achieving and maintaining a balanced diet. By harnessing the fiber-rich bounty of superfoods, individuals can effortlessly elevate their nutritional intake while reaping the multifaceted benefits these foods offer for overall health and vitality. Within the spectrum of superfoods lie champions of fiber content, each offering a distinct nutritional profile. Exploring these top-tier superfoods reveals their exceptional fiber richness. From chia seeds packed with soluble fiber to the fibrous bounty of berries, lentils' satiating properties, and the versatile avocado, these superfoods stand as pillars of fiber abundance. Additionally, the fiber-rich quinoa, renowned for its complete protein profile, showcases the diversity and nutrient density inherent in superfoods. Embracing these high-fiber superstars not only diversifies one's diet but also presents a delicious and efficient means to fortify health through natural, nutrient-dense sources. Incorporating high-fiber superfoods into daily meals need not be daunting. Simple yet effective strategies can seamlessly weave them into diets. From adding chia seeds to morning smoothies, incorporating berries into yogurt or oatmeal, or crafting hearty lentil-based soups, integrating these superfoods diversifies meals effortlessly. Embrace recipes featuring avocado or quinoa as versatile staples, enhancing salads or creating nutrient-packed main courses. Balancing these high-fiber superfoods in various dishes amplifies both flavor and nutrition, ensuring a well-rounded and fiber-rich diet. By incorporating these superfoods creatively, individuals can transform their meals into vibrant, healthful delights, embracing the power of fiber for overall wellness. Dispelling common misconceptions surrounding fiber-rich diets and superfoods sheds light on their true value. Misconceptions about fiber causing digestive issues or superfoods being inaccessible can deter individuals from embracing their benefits. Clarifying these myths underscores the versatility and accessibility of high-fiber superfoods, making them adaptable to diverse dietary preferences. Addressing misconceptions regarding specific superfoods and their fiber content empowers individuals to make informed choices. Emphasizing the importance of balance and variety in high-fiber diets reinforces their feasibility and encourages exploration. By debunking myths, this section aims to inspire confidence in integrating these nutritional powerhouses into daily nutrition for sustained well-being. As we conclude, the transformative potential of fiber-rich superfoods in fostering holistic wellness becomes evident. Embrace the significance of fiber in a balanced diet, amplifying health benefits through these nutritional powerhouses. Encouragement to explore high-fiber superfoods opens a gateway to enhanced vitality and nourishment. By weaving these nutrient-dense elements into daily meals, individuals embark on a journey toward improved well-being. The amalgamation of fiber and superfoods ignites a path to robust health, emphasizing the accessibility and versatility of these dietary assets. May this exploration inspire a wholesome integration of high-fiber superfoods, nurturing a vibrant and resilient lifestyle.